Number 1. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Number 2. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Number 3. Dolphins have names for each other and are the only species other than humans known to do this. Number 4. Although clouds look light and fluffy, they can weigh over 1 million pounds. Number 5. You have roughly the same number of bacteria cells in your body as you do human cells.